So we have everything loaded up. We're gonna head and pick up some necessary provisions for the cooler.
Right.
Ice and that kind of stuff to keep, you know, things cold.
Priorities.
Gotta have priorities. We're gonna go over and see if we can get a boat in the water today. The weather's absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this. Look at those clouds. Oh man. It's so nice.
Right now it says 63 degrees.
Yeah, it's gotta be
warmer.
mid 60s. It's supposed to be up in the 80s today. We'll take it. Snake under there. See if I can show the back end of him. He's hanging out back here. There he goes. Got to be 80 degrees, I'm guessing. Sunshine, absolutely gorgeous. Getting kind of sweaty, getting captain hair. Woo, Captain Bob hair. Ooh, man. I'm not worthy.
I don't know why that's just so funny.
Oh, man. I wish I could tell you how good this is. Man's obsession with water. We always want to traverse it, cross it, drink it,
Jump in it.
float on it, conquer it, jump in it, play in it, swim in it,
Make ice out of it.
make ice out of it, and put it in drinks. Cheers. You know, the important part is the boat still floats.
Yeah. We're not standing in water.
There's no rushing water coming in. We're still floating.
Dry feet.
Feet are dry, which I got them a little bit wet to get that winch unhooked, which I could have stopped before we backed in, but
Yeah.
well, there she is. It's a great day. We're hitting it just right because it's kind of clouding up now on our way out, but we got all put in the water, which is good. Pretty much set up. She needs to be cleaned, but I'll have the wife come over and help me with that next time. And we got a little sailing in, so glad you all could come along for the ride. It was a good time. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.